In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Expedia for flights. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Expedia has a flights search function that you can find on their website or the mobile app. This option will allow you to compare all the prices on specific dates, and you can book your next flight with an optional stay, car, or packages directly through Expedia itself. Like I said, you can find it on the website as I'm demonstrating here or through the mobile app. Regardless of which option you choose, the process is very similar. When you select flights on the home screen, you have to choose between a round trip, one-way, or multi-city flight. For the purposes of this video, I'm just going to go ahead and choose a round trip. You can browse through specific classes, and as you can see, the standard ones for Expedia are economy, premium economy, business class, and first class. You can choose the destination, as you can see over here, and depending on if you select a one-way or round trip, you might have to select multiple dates. As you can see, for a round trip, you have to choose the date that you are going to travel and then the return date. So I'm just going to go ahead and input a destination over here, and once everything is set, after you choose the dates and how many people are traveling, you can start your search. Additionally, if you need a stay or a car, take these boxes over here. But I'm just going to go ahead and search to demonstrate how this process works. Immediately upon searching, after you include all the necessary information, you can see that you can already compare all the prices over here. You can browse through all of the dates to find the best offer for this specific flight. So I got lucky and I chose the best date possible. As you can see, this one is the cheapest, but if you wish, you can also browse through other dates listed here to see if you can find better deals. At the left side, you can filter all of these flights, so there are a lot of parameters that you can choose. The number of stops which airlines operate on these specific dates, travel and baggage, departure time, and arrival time. I'm just going to go ahead and select one of these flights, but you should take your time and carefully see all the options that they have. When you select any of these flights, they will offer some upgrades, and again, this is all optional, but take your time and carefully consider everything. I'm only speeding through all of this because I'm just recording a video for demonstration purposes. They are once again going to offer you flights plus stays, but I'm just going to go ahead. This is optional and skip it. And finally, you can get to checkout. In here, you have a price summary, so make sure that you are aware of any taxes and possible fees, and if you are satisfied, click checkout. Now you can input the contact information of everyone who is traveling, once again, optional protections and recommendations that they might have, and you can browse through the payment methods. Usually it is going to be a debit or credit card, but you might be prompted with other options. As long as you complete your booking through the website or the mobile app, it is going to get assigned to your email or phone number, and you can manage the booking at any time by signing into your Expedia account. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Expedia for flights. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.